Hey guys, so I'm working on those final touches of this van, so just a few things left. And what I got here is this Sterilite plastic drawer thing. It's just a small plastic drawer, but I want to see if I could put it underneath here and get some extra storage space. So I'm going to take this top out and I'm going to expose these tiers. And this is just going to give me some really simple, lightweight drawers that I'm going to mount here so that I could have those drawers. So basically, I'm just going to put a screw in here and mount it up to the top. We'll see how that goes. Alright, got it in. So I just put screws underneath the plastic pieces. Looks good. Now I got to do them all. Alright, so I got two of these things in, and the problem is with the third one, I'm stuck because I'm hitting that wall. And I don't think it's worth my effort to shave down that wall for one more drawer. So I think I'm going to stop at two. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this one underneath here so that it's a tray for my coffee stuff. So let's try that out. All right, so that actually worked out well. So now I got a tray right here where I'm going to put all my coffee supplies and things like that right underneath my coffee maker. All right, so those are my 3 new drawers. All right, guys, so today we're going to try this one stereo CarPlay system, and we're going to see how well it works. So my car doesn't have very good navigation. It's very old, and it definitely doesn't have CarPlay. So this gives me the ability to have wireless CarPlay. So we're going to see how well it works. All right, so that's my phone settings. It looks like it worked. So let's give it a shot to see what we can do. So it's got WhatsApp, it's got, my Pandora, which is nice, my phone, but the main thing is this maps. So I could have the map. This GPS is going to be way better than this car GPS. All right, so now that I got the CarPlay GPS up and running, what I need to do is I would still want to have a mount for my phone. So I got this mount right here that I'm going to put on. This is just a Vixie car mount, and I'll leave a link in the description for this and the CarPlay, of course, for you guys. And then I'm going to mount it right there. So this has that sticky stuff, the sticky suction that doesn't come off easy. So let's put this guy down. Lock it in. Adjust that a little bit. All right, let's try it up with my phone. Okay, perfect. So the reason why I need this type of mount is that when I am traveling, sometimes I do want to video the road for my videos, so I could rotate it and video the road while I'm traveling. So this is why I like this type of mount, and I don't like the mounts down here or anything for the camper van. But if you're not trying to film the road or something, you could use different types of mounts. But so this is my CarPlay GPS setup, and it's definitely an upgrade from my stock Sienna one, which really didn't work that well. All right, so next up, I got these LED lights. I'll leave a link in the description for this too if you're interested. But basically, it's just a rechargeable LED light, and it's got a magnet strip. So I'm going to tape this magnet strip into places, recharge it, and if one runs out of batteries, I got 2 more that I could just swap out. Don't even have to worry about it. No wiring, no nothing. So that's good. I'm going to find a good spot for this. So I think putting a light right here will work great, because I could easily tape that that magnet strip right here, and it'll light up the whole van. Pretty easy. Let's see. That's one of the easiest installs. All right, I got light now, and it has this remote also that controls them all, so I could dim it. Let's see, turn it off, on. Let's see if I could. All right, I could dim it too. That's nice because you don't want it to be too bright sometimes. There's a timer. Pretty cool. Let's see colors. Anyways, kind of cool. So I'm going to test this at night to see if I need 1 strip or 2 strips. So it's a little too bright right now, but we'll be back later at night to see how many strips I need to put. But even if I have to do a few, it's pretty easy. All right, it's nighttime. The one light, it seems pretty bright. It's probably bright enough for the whole van. But if I wanted to, more lights, I could turn on these lights here, little light switches that I have here and here. So, I think I have 3 of these, but I think just 1 at a time is all I need. All right, one last improvement. I have this paper towel holder. This is a Vixie paper towel holder. I'll leave a link on this, but this folding arm is important, and I'll show you that in a second. I do have a paper towel holder in there when I'm inside the car, but when I'm back here cooking, I would like to have a paper towel holder right here also, because, I just can't reach back there. So the nice thing about this paper towel holder is that it's got this arm, and that arm will allow me to fold it when I'm not using it, and it's nice and flush, so it's not going to get in the way. And when I need to use, I'll just pull it up and put in the paper towel.